Hello future traders and welcome back to our channel. This segment is a fresh new segment. It's all about stop loss. Yes, my friends, stop loss. It's a very important aspect and it's a very integral part to understand stock market smartly. Like friends, in the last two videos, I have explained you about stock selection as well as buying and selling when there is a rising moving average and selling when there is a downtrend, basically falling moving average. But stop loss will going to help you, will going to lower your loss as well as your risk, and that is what I'm talking about. If you know your risk and if you know when you will get a loss, so friends, you will make a profit after a point of time. So the important thing, so the most important aspect is you need to understand the strategy behind stop loss. So friends, what you need to do, you need to first priorly, this is a priority based thing, you first need to subscribe to our channel and you need to like and share the content. And the most important part is you should never forget your dream and your ambition, because if your dream and your ambition is alive, then friends, I'm telling you, this is my promise, this is my word that we will going to make a fortune, and I am very sure of that. Because one thing which I am very sure about that is, if you know how to learn, if you know that learning is a phase, then friends, it will be an easy job, it will be an easy walk. So let's get back to the charts and let's understand the beauty of stock market with stop loss, because paisa, money will be there and profit will be there. So let's get back to the chart and let's understand the concept of stop loss.
So friends, as you can see, this is our live chart. So now let's understand that how you will going to establish stop loss in this. So let's get going and let's understand this fabulous strategy. It will going to change your mind. Okay. So as you can see, friends, this is a weekly chart. All right. And this is a daily chart. Yes. And one more thing, you just need to write it down that whenever we trade, we always trade in multiple time frame. That you need to understand. Whenever we trade, we always trade in multiple time frame. Like suppose if we are getting a moving average rising in weekly, but if we are and on the same way we are getting a fall in daily, like the moving average is falling on the daily chart. So it means we are not going to trade on that particular stock. All right, so these are some strategies, these are some ways by which we need to get going in stock market. All right, so now let's understand what it will be and how it will be. So what we need to do, we need to turn the green candle into white candle, black into black, red into black, and I don't want any price line. And let me add the moving average. So as you can see, this is a 9 moving average. So what I need either 44 or 50. So let's make it 50. All right, and let's make it a bit thicker. So friends, now as you can see, this is a daily chart of HDFC Bank. So here you can see, here you can see a white candle. Here also you can see a white candle. Here also you can see a white candle with a perfect black candle beside the white candle. All right. So these are some ways by which we will going to enter and we will going to establish a stop loss for our future transactions or our future trading, whatever you take. So let me say, let's go a bit. Okay. So, okay, see friends, this is a perfect way. See, this is a big white candle. So what we need to do, let's make, see, this is a perfect white candle. All right. But what we need to see is in weekly, yes, there is a, yes, I'm getting the same thing. See, in daily also we are getting a, yes, we are getting a high, and in weekly, let's see, are we getting a high? Yes, we are getting a high. Yes, we are getting a high. So this is a perfect trade for us. Friends, as you can see, this is a perfect trade for us. So let me say, uh, above the white candle, I'm going to buy. Okay. Whenever we are buying on a rising moving average, we always buy above the white candle, and we always keep our stop loss lowest to the low. Means over here you can see a black candle. I am keeping my stop loss lowest to the low, like over here. Over here, I am keeping the stop loss, and over here, I am buying the stocks. All right. So whenever there is a rise in moving average and whenever there is a white candle, so we always buy above the white candle and we always keep the stop loss lowest to the low. If we are getting a black candle beside the white candle, then keep the stop loss black candles lowest to low. All right. And suppose you want to see, let's just understand one thing again over here. See, oh yes, yes, yes. See, in daily also we are getting a perfect trade. All right. See, so this is a perfect trade for us. Over here we can enter, and over here we can buy our trades. Why? Because there is a, I'm saying again and again, why? Because it will going to stick in your mind. All right. Whenever there is a rising moving average and there is a white candle, we always buy above the high, and whenever there is a, and to the lowest to the low, we always keep the stop loss. All right. So this is the way by which we are going to establish our stop loss. So now let's understand, if there is a fall in moving average, how we are going to establish. One second, friends, just one second. Just okay. See, this is also a perfect point for us, as see. Okay, this is a, see, in this part, in this part, whenever we will see any white candle near the moving average, rising near moving average, we are going to buy. And in here you can see, when can we sell? This is the perfect point when we can sell. Okay, so this is a black point, this is a black candle which is near, but there is no other point. So let's see, let's understand where we can keep the, from where we can stop loss. All right. So let me go a bit further and let me get you the, over here you can see the sideways trading also, friends. This is a sideways trading. Okay. And this, just one second, friends. See, okay, I got my point. See, friends, in here, as you can see, this is a black candle. Okay, so above the black candle, I am going to establish my stop loss, and lowest to the low, I am keeping my short sell. All right, these are the ways I am going to approach the market in a multiple time frame. All right, whenever there is a falling moving average and whenever we get a black candle, we always keep the stop loss above the black candle, and lowest to the low, we always keep the short sell. All right, and whenever there is a rising moving average in a multiple time frame, on the white candle, above the white candle, we always buy, and the lowest to the low, we always sell. You just need to write this down. Okay, so this is all about stop loss, friends. This strategy is a perfect strategy. It will really going to help you out to make your fortune in stock market. All right. So let's go to the next segment, and now let's understand what we are going to learn in our next episodes.
So friends, now you have understood the real meaning of stop loss. Yes, my friends, if you have really understood it, then friends, start applying it on a live chart. At least start learning. At least start learning the process, that how will you establish the stop loss when there is a weekly and a daily chart. Because as I always say, we never trade in one time frame. We always trade in multiple time frame, and that is what going to make you rich, and that is what going to make you a successful trader if you start trading with good strategies. So this is very important. And yes, one thing which is sure, like suppose, just take a brief example. Like a share goes up, starts from, or a entry level of a share is 100, all right? And you know that the market is going to fall. So what you did, you made a stop loss at 90. So what you did, you lowered your risk. You lowered that risk which will going to make a loss. So in market, you always have to be updated with the game and updated with the trading trends. So you need to invest smartly and you need to know that when to put your hard-earned money in stock market. So this is the last point, and this is the last thing which I always say about stock market is basically a deep ocean. The more you go deep, the more beauty you explore. So stock market is just like that. And yes, two more things I think I have to say you that. First is you always need to trust your instincts, because if you trust your instincts, then friends, markets up and down will never going to harm you. Second is discipline. I know some people are not disciplined, but they have to get disciplined, because if you will be disciplined, discipline will give you money. It will give you profit. That is what I'm talking about. So at last, I just want to tell you, I will be there, and I will be there to help you and guide you. And in our next segment, let's explore some more beauty of stock market. Till then, thanks for being there and happy to be here. So friends, if you want to explore the world of stock market, then friends, link to our courses are given in the description box. Enroll yourself. Start learning the strategy of stock market. After all, it's all about making your fortune in stock market. Take care.